You are Aphrodite, you are Nefertiti, you are the creator of all the life that I'm seeing. Hey queens and kings. So I am in Denver, Colorado right now for my company's national symposium, and because it would have been real boring if I just vlogged it, because y'all don't want to know about the stuff they're gonna talk about. At least I don't think y'all want to know. I don't know why I'm out of breath, but I've been kind of rushing. I'm about to head down now. So I decided that I would share the outfits that I wore on my trip. I didn't wear anything special to the airport. I'm not that girl. But today is Monday, September 24th, I think. And this is what I have on. The lighting in this hotel is just not good, y'all. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right. Hey, y'all. So this is what I am wearing. You can't see the full thing in one shot, but I have on this dress that I got from Target. I have on some jeans. I don't know where they're from, but if I can remember, I'll put it in the description box. And I have on these little like short comfy heels from Target. This is from Target. Okay, so then I have on this Nefertiti necklace that I got from AliExpress, and I got the chain from like a vendor in my mall. These earrings I got from Forever 21. They're acrylic with like leopard print. I have on my Fossil watch, and yeah, I just got my hair tied back. Very natural makeup. So here's the look all together. It is supposed to be business casual. Yeah, that's what I got on.
Birthday, dear Sherry. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Girl, you turned 40, those lungs. Start messing with your chain.
Good morning. So I have to do it really quickly because I'm already late. Blazer from Goodwill. I have on this Target, like a t-shirt almost, quarter length sleeve. I have these pants from the thrift store, Goodwill. These shoes, I believe were from Target a long time ago. Just got my hair down, same makeup. Just some stud earrings. Might put on my watch, I might not. And I really have to go, so I will see y'all later. Quickly, I put the belt on top. Yeah, all right, see y'all later.
And she learned that from the mother that his first reaction in seeing that she was black was, I in heaven no head nurse come into my house. But she kept going because she knew it was important. And she was connecting with this mother, and she eventually connected with this boyfriend. And eventually, she went to the home, and the Confederate flag was taken down. And the swastika painted over. We hear stories like this all the time. And even though we know there is terrible polarization out there, this work has the potential to find common ground and pull people together.
Okay, no time to get the tripod. This is day 3. Close the bathroom. This is day 3. I have this shirt from Target, skirt from Target, shoes from Target from the first day. I have on this cardigan from the Salvation Army. I have on the same Nefertiti necklace that I had on day one. And I have on my studs again. Hair down, same makeup. I'm gonna grab my purse and my name badge and I'm out of here.
I believe in miracles, that anything can happen. It took a seed of energy, a proton, it's so on and cracking. And it all started with a Higgs boson, an explosion. And I think the creator put the same kind of force in you.